Where are we?
We're on the nature trail.
The nature trail.
That was quite a little incline. I'm okay going up it. I don't want to go down it.
Why?
Because look at how down it is.
Yeah. It's nice here.
Beautiful. I take you to good places, David.
Oh, yes, you do. We're in Catalina State Park, by the way. So it's a very nice little hike. There's Linda taking pictures, as usual. It's nice here. We like it here. Well, we finally got to the nature trail loop. We have to walk up a little bit to get here, but here it is. And now the question is, clockwise or counterclockwise? The loop, what do you think? Clockwise or counterclockwise?
Let's do clockwise.
Counterclockwise. Okie doke.
No, clockwise.
Oh, clockwise. Okay.
Dave, that's clockwise.
Yep. You're right.
Let's see if we can find
Sparkling. Oh yeah, the feldspar right there. It's pretty cool.
Did you see the big chunk? I got a big chunk on my picture camera.
Oh yeah?
Look at this. I like these grasses and with the... This is the stuff that is really not indigenous to the area, but there's so much of it now that it is, I guess.
You said indigenous.
I did.
That's a big
word.
Look
at this pretty rock, how blue it is.
It's a really big word.
A mountain lion or a bobcat in that area. Oh, wow.
Why?
Because I could smell it. I could smell cat pee.
Oh.
It's a distinct smell. Oh, that is cool. Alice algae took a liken to Freddy fungus, and now the relationship is on the rocks.
I see. Here's a good example of desert varnish. It's that brown blackish coating on the rocks that accumulates over time. Approaching the end of the loop, and I should turn around, and who should be there? And there she is taking. What do you mean? Oh, she's getting down okay. So here we are at the end of our trip, at the beginning of our loop, and it was very nice indeed. She's heading down. Yep, that's it. So this was fun. See you next time.